Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. With the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle, a tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku, in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, December the 6th, 2023. It's war day number 651. 651 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. In today's newspaper, I have already solved the first regular puzzle, the medium Sudoku, so it's time now for the second one. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve, 4 of them, and this one will be number 75701. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one. The hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 20. Should be a 1-star or a 2-star puzzle. For 2-star puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. For 1-star, faster than 15 minutes. We will see if this is really a 1-star or a 2-star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Single box or boxes. I see here a single box and there a single box. Always a 1. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. How about the triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple boxes. How about the quadra box? I see here 1 quadra box. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Yeah, the quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape, the L shape, it's mirrored. Let me mark, or let me draw this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. Where you see, oh, upside down, well, it's actually the same shape, but I put the line there instead of here. Where you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more of this kind of shapes in this puzzle? Well, no, only 1. And how about the triple box? I've told you I cannot see any triple boxes here. Well, incorrect. I see here a triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, the box near the middle box, or the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. This box can be 4 or a 5. Well, it can be 5. We have a 5 in the same area, so it should be a 4 then. Alright. Let me see for another shape, figure, structure or constructions. Here we have another one. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Only 1. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left with a 2 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Well, cannot place the 2 here because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here. And the 3 goes there. All right. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. This box can be a 3, but also that box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left with a 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. This box can be 1, this box can be 5. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Alright, I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 5, and that box can be a 5. So 1 box left with 5 in this area should be there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution, place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 2 anymore. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this triple box should be there. And the 3 goes here. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 2 boxes left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3. These are 3 boxes. Surrounded 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. And that box can be a 2. So 1 box left with the 2 in this L-shaped area should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. These are 3 boxes. Surrounded 2 can be a 2. That box can be 2, so 1 box left with the 2 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Alright. Okay. Let me think. Well. Yeah. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. And these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. We have a double 5 there. Yeah, definitely a 2. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. No. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be there. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 3. Let me think. Well. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. I think this box should be a 1 then because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. Then this box can be 1. So the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. This box is connected with that box. So be so 1 or a 3. And well. We have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box should be also 3. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. The 4 goes there. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 now. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4 is connected with that box, should be so 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 to 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 5 goes there. 1 and 4, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 4 goes there. 1 and 5, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 3 and 1. We have a 1 there and a 1 there. 1 should be here. The 3 goes there. These two boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 2 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. For the 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 5 goes there. 3 numbers to go. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 to 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 5 goes. And there, finish in 15 minutes. Well, we solved it again. Not quite a 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars because I'm not faster than 15 minutes. Anyway, we solved again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so I can make it or solve it myself. Thank you for watching, and we'll meet again in the evening with other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.